If you do not value the importance of aspirations, you do not value your future, well, your future should not be limited to your aspirations, but without aspirations, you don't have a direction for the future. You must aspire, but all your aspirations, generally, are a little exaggeration of what you already know. So you should not limit your life to your aspirations, but your aspiration is needed, it is a gas. Without petrol in your vehicle, it's not going to move. But petrol is not going to decide the destination. So you must understand your aspirations are the basis of your enthusiasm for life. Let it be. At the same time, do not allow these aspirations to define the very destiny of who you are and where you should go in your life. Let that open up as you go, depending upon your capability and competence and the intensity of your involvement, life will open up in many different ways. But aspirations are the fundamental fuel for you to get up in the morning and move on with things to do. Because there could be many impediments in life, many challenges. At every impediment, you will take a backward step if you don't have any aspiration. So aspirations are the fuel which propels you into the next moment. In this, you should not lose yourself and think your aspirations are the end of your life. No, your aspirations are only propulsion for you. They should not decide the destination or the destiny of who you are.